Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a vegan keto pizza. You guys are gonna love this recipe, so let's get started. Alright guys, so I figured I'd show you guys where I'm getting this recipe from before we get started. So I went to Amazon Books here in Los Angeles and I found this book, Ketotarian. Not all the recipes are in here are vegan, some of them are vegetarian and some of them contain egg and fish. I think some of them have salmon in it. I haven't looked at those recipes. And the reason why I got this book, I just wanted to try out the recipes, see if they're good or not, and share them with you guys. So the previous two recipes you guys have seen on this channel come from this book. I'm not being paid in any way. I wish I was, but I'm not. And yeah, just wanted to show you guys where I'm getting my recipes from. I'm going to show you guys which brands I'm using as well. So you guys can, if you guys want to replicate this recipe or this pizza, you guys will be able to do it at home. So I got everything at Whole Foods, in my local Whole Foods. And the first ingredient, or first brand and first ingredient I'm going to show you guys is the ricotta cheese. And it's from Kite Hill, as you can see right there. This is the only one I found that I was able to find. And it has 7 grams of fat and 2 grams of protein. And its serving size is for 1 ounce. So this one's really high in fat. Mainly everything, the main ingredients of this pizza are all high in fat. So that's basically what that whole keto thing is, right? So the marinara sauce that I'm going to be using is very high in fat and it's called Rao's homemade sensitive marinara sauce. So check that out right there. All right, cool. So this one has 11 grams of fat and it has 1 gram of protein and carbs. It has carbohydrates. Where are you? 3 grams of carbohydrates. I didn't tell you guys how many carbohydrates the Kite Hill had. Carbohydrates, it has, where are you? 1 gram of carbs. So that's pretty good. And that's what it's all about, right? With this whole keto diet. Next thing that we're going to be using are Kalamata olives, or Kalamata, or as I was searching online, figuring out how to say this word, it's a Greek word and it's Kalamata, like that. Something like that. All right, whatever. This one has 4 grams of fat and it has carbs, 1 gram of carbs. So check this out right here. I got this at Whole Foods as well. Everything I got at Whole Foods. Got it? All right, check. Next thing we're going to be using thyme. We're going to be using a little bit of thyme. Some basil. Basically, this is just going to give us really good flavor on the pizza. Because as I was chopping it and prepping everything up, everything smelled so good. So, and we're going to be using olive oil. And this recipe, if you look in the book, is asking you to actually buy a cauliflower head and chop it up and like roast it or put it in the oven. I don't know. I didn't really bother. I was like, screw that. I don't feel like doing that. I just want to get my own cauliflower crust pre-made. And I got this at Whole Foods. So you guys can do it as well. And all you got to do is just put the toppings on top of it. And that's it. And put it in the oven. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go the lazy way. The lazy route. Because I don't feel like making my own crust, man. It's too much work. So I say we go into the edit, and in the edit, you guys will be able to see how much I'm using of each ingredient. So let's get started. Almost forgot, guys. One of the most important ingredients is the cheese that I'm going to be using. You guys saw the ricotta cheese, the Kite Hill cheese, but that's not going to really make it taste like a real pizza, in my opinion. So we got this one right here, vegan gourmet shreds, mozzarella cheese from Follow Your Heart, and this one basically has 6 grams of fat and 6 grams of carbs. So now let's get started and let's go. pizza is ready. It smells delicious. I can just smell it. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Man, it smells really good. So this thing is really hot. Let's cut it up. Let's cut off a slice. Can you see? Can you record this? All right, I'm gonna cut a slice. I don't know if it's like supposed to be like this. Please let me know in the comments below. The crust is like really soft, and like I think it's gonna get like destroyed once I cut it. Maybe I had to cook it a lot more, but the box said 10 and 15 minutes, I think. It said something like that in the oven, and I left it a little bit more than that. But yeah, let's just try it out. I've never had cauliflower pizza before. This is my first time actually. So yeah, this thing is gonna be hard to eat. I think I'm gonna make a mess. So let's cut a slice. I think that's a slice right there. Dude, this is really hard to eat. Oh, okay. Right there. All right, let's try this thing out. It's like a baby slice. It's like for babies. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys enjoyed it, please let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna tell you how good this pizza is. Ugh, come on. Man, this is good. This is so good. One of the best recipes I've done so far. I would have to say this is probably one of the best recipes I've done so far. Man, this is so good. So many flavors, so many vegetables. Alright guys, so I just finished my slice of pizza and I give it a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend it. Out of the 3 recipes that I've done from this book, I would say 2 out of the 3 are really good and you should try them out. The pudding was really good and this pizza was really good. Most of these ingredients should be at your local Whole Foods. The only ingredient that I'm not sure if you guys will be able to find is the cauliflower crust, because I'm not sure if the other Whole Foods carry it or not. But everything else you should be able to find. And let me know in the comments below, because this is my first time having cauliflower pizza, and I'm not sure if I cooked it enough or not. If the crust is supposed to be flimsy and soft, I'm not sure. This is my first time having cauliflower pizza, so if you guys have had cauliflower pizza, I would appreciate it. But look at this, guys. This pizza was amazing. Let me know if you guys tried this recipe out. Send me a picture or something. DM me on Instagram, Bryan Moscoso _, and let me know what you guys want to see next as well, because I'm ready and I'm ready to cook. So I'll see you guys on the next one, and peace out.